Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LG Q6. Start by opening Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on LG. And now choose send on an Android and receive on LG. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with one photo, choose send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can click on the scanning icon on LG, choose allow and scan QR code, or you can input this key over here. After that, select receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into File Manager, clicking on Send Anywhere folder, and as you can see, my photo is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!